Monday, midday, and all eyes were on proceedings at the KICC, where the tribunal made public the findings of its probe that could have huge ramifications on the workings of Kenya's judiciary. Nancy Makoha Baraza is literally on the exit lane of the judiciary after the 7-member tribunal investigating her conduct recommended her removal from office.
In our opinion, a judge who engages in lawless conduct and thereafter tries to explain it away with misleading testimony should not continue in office.
The tribunal said that it sifted through evidence including witness statements and CCTV footage and concluded that Baraza had engaged in misconduct and allegations against her proven, and that Kerubo's evidence had withstood the rigors of scrutiny.
We have seen both witnesses, Kerubo and the decision, giving their evidence. We found Kerubo to be credible from the way she confidently and steadfastly gave her evidence, and especially in cross-examination.
The tribunal chair also took issue with the evidence given by Nancy Baraza's driver.
We find Obondi to be an unabashed liar. He claimed that he went into the village market on that fateful day with a pistol on his body, and that he had to show his police identity card to Mahano. The latter denied there having been any person who passed through the security desk with a pistol on that day.
The 7-member tribunal also had a blow-by-blow account of what transpired at the village market on New Year's Eve, including Kerubo's eventual complaint to the police and the steps Nancy Baraza took immediately after the incident. In conclusion, the tribunal said that although CCTV footage could not pinpoint whether a gun had been pointed at Kerubo, the said footage clearly showed how Baraza had acted.
Her failure to consider the effect of her misconduct on her staff and the reputation of the judiciary at the time of her actions leaves us with little confidence in her ability to refrain from future misconduct.
The tribunal finally gave its final verdict.
We therefore recommend to Your Excellency Mwai Kibaki, Commander of the Order of the Golden Heart, Member of Parliament, President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Republic of Kenya, that Lady Justice Nancy Makoha Baraza, the Deputy Chief Justice and the Vice President of the Supreme Court of Kenya, be removed from office.
Nancy Baraza's meteoric rise from a humble girl child in Bungoma County, who rose through sheer hard work to become a leading lawyer, constitutional review expert, human rights crusader, and eventually Kenya's Deputy Chief Justice, finds herself in the unfamiliar territory of the accused, found to have engaged in gross misconduct not befitting her office. She now has 10 days to appeal the tribunal's verdict, even as Kerubo now savors what appears to be a victory in a David versus Goliath battle. The tribunal had early in the day handed over its report to President Mwai Kibaki at his Harambee House office. The hierarchy at the very top of Kenya's judiciary could be taking a brand new look following what now looks like the imminent exit of Nancy Baraza from the office of Deputy Chief Justice, pending the outcome of a possible appeal should any be lodged. But what's now more important is that the verdict by the tribunal sends a clear warning to all public servants that what they do in private and in public matters, given that the Constitution has clearly stipulated what is expected of them. Abdi Osman.